Hi, in front of me is HUAWEI MatePad 10.4 and today I would like to show you how you can lock apps using App Lock on this device. First of all, you need to find an app called Optimizer and click on it. Now choose App Lock over here, read the disclaimer and tap Enable. Then you need to pick one of the login methods, lock screen password or custom PIN. I will go with custom PIN, so I have to click on this option, enter my PIN and confirm it. Now answer this security question by typing the answer over here or tap on it and select a different one. You can also tap on this question, scroll all the way down and choose custom question. Create your own and tap OK to save it. Remember to type your answer over here and choose finish. Now you can click on the searcher next to apps that you want to lock, for example, App Gallery. So now when I go back and try to access App Gallery over here, I can see that PIN is required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!